what's for dinner tonight? It's your favorite food, Karela. What? You don't want to have Karela? How dare you make that face? Kunal, look at yourself. You are so fat. It's good for your weight. How dare you waste it? Just eat it.
What a nightmare. Hello and welcome to The Foodie. Yes, this is it, the Karela, the vegetable that has given everybody nightmares because everybody thinks it tastes terrible. But on this episode of The Foodie, we're going to explode this myth. We're going to do some wonderful things with this infamous Karela. So come with me as we make the Karela delicious. Here goes. It's every child's nightmare, and as a matter of fact, even an adult's. Mummy, I don't want to eat. Spare me. I'd rather die than eat this. This is the evergreen, omnipresent, and forever hated vegetable we're talking about. Some call it bitter gourd, but it's infamously known as Karela. This week on The Foodie, we dedicate this episode on the vegetable we love to hate. Well, Karela, and more Karela. The hunt, the search for Karela has now brought me to a nice Punjabi dhaba in Lokhandwala Andheri. It's called Guru Ka Dhaba, and I believe that they've got a lot of Karela, interesting Karela, and tasty Karela on it. So let's go inside and check out what they do with the Karela. Okay, I'm in Guru Ka Dhaba and this is Mandeep. Mandeep, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good. One first thing I want to say is that the whole menu outside looks very tasty and very tempting. So is this asli Punjabi food or what?
Yes, it's a asli Punjabi home cooked food.
Home cooked food. And do you cook a lot of Karela at home normally?
Yes.
Yeah?
My kids also eat that.
Your kids eat Karela?
Yes.
I never ate Karela when I was a kid. How did you manage that? Did you?
No, it's just not kadwa, it's so much home kind, so they all enjoy it.
I am amazed. So what is it that you do over here with Karela that is so nice?
Actually, it's the way we prepare it and the masala that we put inside it. That's the whole thing basically.
I tried
And
all
the raw material basically.
And the raw material.
Yeah.
I tried as a child, I've tried as a teenager, I've tried as an adult to try and like Karela, but it's very difficult. It's a difficult vegetable, isn't it?
And we force people to eat that at our place. And once they eat, they always first come and ask only for that.
Karela?
We actually have to force them and we give them free also. You must taste it kind of.
Free, pehle taste kar lo free karke.
Yeah.
So that the next time they will. So I'm also said. So what are the dishes that you do with Karela over here?
We have Karela, stuffed Karela,
Okay.
and we have Karela bhurji.
Okay. So what are you going to serve me today?
I'll be serving you paratha, Karela and rajma accompanying that and dry aloo masala.
Wow.
Because the whole thing, the combination is great, it's completely divine I feel.
Okay. So chalo, I am willing to taste a Karela. If your children like it, I'm
Of course.
sure I will like them.
Yes,
also.
definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So chalo, let's have some Karela. Stuffed Karela is far from smooth and sleek. In fact, it's rudimentary but impeccable in taste. Scrape the skin but not completely. Let the stem be and slit the Karela. Deep fry the Karela in a pot of hot boiling oil and let it sizzle till it attains a rustic brown color. The seeds have a beautiful reddish tinge to it. Chopped potato wedges are fried till they are crispy. Nice pinkish onions with a bud intact are chopped into 4 huge pieces and fried. The real deal are the Indian spices. A mixture of salt, garam masala, red chili powder and dry mango powder are stuffed into the Karela. Serve the stuffed Karela with crispy potatoes and golden onions with fresh green coriander.